Good morning everyone. In this video we will be discussing the special form of motion, that is one dimensional motion. So basically before just proceeding for one dimensional motion, let me clear with your yesterday topic, that is motion. So yesterday we have already discussed that when a body changes its position with respect to time, since the time is also changing and the body is also changing its position, then it is said to be in motion. Now when the body is said to be in one dimensional motion, let us clear it. Here are some of the examples related to one dimensional motion. So basically a body is said to be in one dimensional motion when it follows a straight path or a single path. For example, either it goes along a straight line, either it goes downward or upward, but follow one direction. Okay. Now let us consider our first example, a train moving on a straight track. This is a straight track and a train is moving here. So train is possessing one dimensional motion. A ball thrown vertically downward, example of one dimensional motion. A rocket flowing upward, one dimensional motion. We are opening and closing the drawer. This is also one dimensional motion. One dimensional means that the body always follows a unidirection. For example, if I say a body is going in this direction and then after 2 hours it follows this direction, then again the other direction, then again a curve, then it is not said to be one dimensional motion. One dimensional motion means along a straight path. Now let us have some example related to the exercise of it. The motion of a cricket ball when batsman hit a 6. We need to tell that whether the motion when a batsman hit a 6 is an example of one dimensional motion or not. For example, this is a batsman. If he is hitting a 6, so 6 can be, it's not mandatory that it goes on a straight path. The ball always follows like this. So since this is making a curve, hence it is not one dimensional motion. Second one, bullet fired from a gun. For example, this is a gun and when a bullet is fired, it goes along a straight path. Hence, it is one dimensional motion. Second, athletes running on an oval track. The name itself suggested that the track is oval in shape, and if the athlete is running along a oval track, then it is not one dimensional motion. So it is clear from the exercise then that a body is said to be one dimensional motion if it follows a straight path either in one direction or the other. That is basically a to and fro motion. To and fro motion but along a straight path. Now let us discuss the representation of one dimensional motion. We said that when a body is dropped down, it follows one dimensional motion. So doesn't matter whether body is coming downward or upward. Keep in mind that whenever you are asked to represent it graphically, one dimensional motion, then you will always plot it along x-axis. डजेंट मैटर कि बॉडी ऊपर जा रही है नीचे आ रही है, आप हमेशा रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए वन डायमेंशनल मोशन को एक्स एक्सिस के अलोंग ही प्लॉट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ मोशन वी आर प्लॉटिंग. व्हेन टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू 0, बॉडी हैज़ कवर्ड 0 मीटर. व्हेन टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू 10, 20 मीटर. एट 20, 30 मीटर. व्हेन टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू 30, 40 मीटर. So we can plot it in a table form also. We can just make a table. Here time is in second, distance is in meter. For time is equals to 0, distance was 0. For time is equals to 10, distance was 20. For time is equals to 20, distance is 40, 30. And when time is equals to 30, distance is 40. So this